Hello students. So we have a preparation of brought iron. So we will start. So as I have told you, the brought iron is the purest form of iron and contains less than 0.5% impurities. The cast iron obtained above contains about 2.5 to 5% carbon and other impurities such as sulfur, phosphorus, silicon and manganese, as you can see this picture. So now in order to convert cast iron into brought iron, the percentage of carbon and that of other impurities has to be decreased. This is done by heating the cast iron with the help of a reverberatory furnace. It is also known the pudding or puddling furnace. It is a puddling furnace with hematite ores. So the hematite supplies the oxygen and oxidize carbon, silicon, manganese and phosphorus present in the cast iron to carbon monoxide. Okay, so the whole procedures that has been done, that is being done by this. So now we have some important reactions that are the part of the preparation of brought iron. So let's see in this picture. Firstly, as you can see, the Fe2O3 means the hematite ores react with carbon, and when it will get heat, what we obtain? The iron and carbon monoxide. And again, when silicon impurities are there, so the hematite ores supplies oxygen to it and converted it into SiO2 and iron, and same as sulfur. So now as you can read here a line, whereas carbon monoxide and SO2 escape, but manganese oxide MnO and silica SiO2 combine to form manganous silicate MnSiO3 as slag. That is the slag formation reactions. So manganese oxide plus silica, and they will get heat. So what we obtain? It's a manganous silicate. Now similarly, phosphorus pentoxide combines with hematite Fe2O3 to form ferric phosphate slag. So as you can see in that reaction, 2Fe2O3 plus P4O10. Okay, and now sometimes limestone means is added as a flux. This also helps to remove SiO2 as CaSiO3 slag, means calcium silicate slag. Okay, on the other hand, now there is need to be know about after that reactions. So the metal is removed and free from slag by passing through rollers. Now brought iron thus prepared contains about 0.5% impurities, of which about half of carbon. And one of the most important line, the melting point of brought iron is about 1673 Kelvin, and it can be welded at about 1273 Kelvin. Okay, so it is tough, malleable and ductile and can be used for making chain, bolts, frameworks, etc. So for structural purpose, wrought iron has been largely replaced by mild steel. So that is one of our topics. So now in our next class or videos we will discuss the extraction of copper. Okay.